Hi guys, it's Chris here. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got yesterday in the mail. This is where I'm gonna put my base. Let's just open it up. Yesterday I got Storm Pegasus in the mail, and I'm gonna use this box as an arena. I need to find something to put it on. Wait.
You meant to find your box.
Guys, I have no idea where to put my laptop so I could see the battle, because then stuff will just fall down. So I had the red launcher I got the blue launcher for President Scorpio, and I got the red launcher right here for Storm Pegasus, and I had this tool that came with Storm Pegasus. Plus the code, but it was already redeemed by the owner. I got it off of eBay. Alright. Guys, I don't know where to put my laptop. So I have to use the cord so I can battle and you guys can see it. Because if I do it in my room, it wouldn't be able to be caught on video. Just wait, guys. Okay, so right here, put the laptop right there and there. You guys can see it now. So let's launch. Play the Scorpio first. You guys can see it, right? Wait. Whatever. You guys just look at the box. Because this is where you're gonna battle. 3, 2, 1, literally. That was for the Scorpio launch. Now for Pegasus. Okay, so Storm Pegasus is in the corner. And Pegasus 1, Scorpio 0. Alright, let me set up the launchers, because I don't have one of those pull launchers, those weird ones. So if you guys wonder why, it's because I don't get the money to alright, so Storm Pegasus is an attack type base, and Scorpio's a defensive type. So that's why Storm Pegasus keeps on winning, guys. If you guys are wondering why, it's because it's an attack type and it's stronger than a defensive type. Wait, there. I'll try to launch it really quickly. Okay, guys, so there it is. The winner is Storm Pegasus, and peace.